Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I put together a delicious banana pudding icebox pie. Guys, when I say this pie is delicious, it is just that. So, without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, here are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my banana pudding icebox pies. If you guys want to take a screenshot of this, please do so. Everything there I'm using is named except for the almond milk, which I'm going to share with you guys later of how I use that. But you will find that in the full recipe down in my description box, okay? So please check there. So the first thing I did was crumble up all of my vanilla wafers, and I'm now pouring that into the bowl. And I just used a rolling pin to kind of mash up my cookies. So I got that in the bowl. Now I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using raw cane sugar, and then I'm gonna give that a good mix. And now I'm adding in my melted butter, okay? 3 tablespoons of melted butter. So what I'm pretty much making here is a crumble topping, something like you would add on top of blueberry muffins, or if you're making like banana bread, you go on with that crumble topping, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here, okay? So once you get that put together, go ahead and set that to the side. Now we're going to work on the filling, and I'm going in with 2 very soft 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese that I did have sitting out for a while. So what we're going to do is whip that up until it is nice, creamy, and smooth, looking just like this right here. Okay, it shouldn't take that long, about a couple minutes or so, and you'll be good to go. So now I'm adding in my somewhat caramelized sweetened condensed milk. And what I mean by somewhat is that I boiled this for about 2 hours or so, because I actually wanted that caramel flavor to be inside of my banana pudding icebox pie. Now you don't have to do this, guys. You can just use the regular can of sweetened condensed milk. That'll be totally up to you. And also, guys, I don't know if you knew, that's the way you can make caramel, is by boiling sweetened condensed milk for about 4 to 5 hours. But again, I only did it like half of that time. So I did get that incorporated along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're gonna add in the vanilla pudding, and I did go in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract for your FYI. So now we're going to incorporate our pudding mix, and this is where the almond milk is coming in. And I apologize, guys, my camera wasn't recording when I added in the almond milk, but again, you will find that in the full recipe down below in the description box. Because do you see how thick that is? You definitely want to slowly incorporate that almond milk or regular milk or whatever kind of milk you drink, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get our pie crust here. This is a graham cracker crust, and we're going to add in half of the filling that we just made, because again, I'm making this 2 ways. One is going to have bananas on it, which is what you're going to start to see me here after I smooth it out. I'm going to go on with my bananas, and I did speed this process up because, yeah, guys, I didn't think you wanted to just see me, you know, putting banana pieces on top. So I did speed that up, and then I lightly coated them or topped them with a little bit of lemon juice, and that's just going to keep your bananas from turning brown, okay? So after I did that, I went on ahead and put the rest in the center, and then I got my crumble topping, and then I sprinkled some of that on top because we're making a banana pudding pie, so that's exactly how you want it to be, right? You want it to go in layers. So I got my Cool Whip into a piping bag with a piping tip. That's a small star or closed star piping tip, I'm sorry. And just go ahead and pipe on your design. And you don't necessarily have to do it how I'm doing it here, guys. You can definitely top your pie how you want to top it, whatever design that may be. Do what you want. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get that on top, and then I'm gonna top it with some more of the crumble topping, and that's pretty much it. First pie down, and here it is here, guys. It turned out beautiful, and I promise you, this pie is delicious, okay? As you guys can tell from the thumbnail, I did give this a try. I did make this for the 4th as well. You guys got to give that a try. So here is the second pie, guys. I'm going in with the last of the filling Okay, go ahead and get that in there, smooth it on out. Now I made 2 pies because my daughter loves everything that tastes like banana, but she don't like bananas, if that makes sense. Okay, so I went on ahead, I got the filling in there, and I just topped it with the last of the Cool Whip, went on with the crumble topping, and yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Here it is here. So I truly do hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you how I make my banana pudding icebox pies. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.